Aside from the fun, I got to learn to speak Japanese naturally and casually.
It's one of the experiences that I believe that you can't experience anywhere else. And I think it's only here, so...
I thought it was really interesting, and it's a really interesting approach to learning, and I think it's really fabulous.
I mean, like, especially those like nerdy words, I love that part. Like, I mean, you never see those kind of vocab in like the textbook.
Amazing!
A lot of fun. It was so great. It was like a little wish would come true.
Yeah, it's my lifelong dream to try voice acting. It never happened before. Boom, there's this chance, and I'm like so happy. Oh my gosh!
It was great, very fun, and exciting as always. Much better than the first time that I tried this.
Very challenging and fun.
Yeah, and I learned a new technique today because I always have a problem with intonation. But Japanese teach me to like repeat the phrase a lot of time to make it natural, and it really helped me a lot to have good intonation. I really like that part.
For those who want to be narrators, even though it's in Japanese, but you get a set of skills, basic skills about timing and how to pronounce, how to control your voice in front of a microphone, and I think it's really essential to be a voice actor, a narrator, everything if you want to work with your voice.
Everyone who's watching anime, I'm sure everyone has this wish, even one time, to lend their voices to the favorite character. I think it's the whole acting, the voice process is so much fun, and I think everyone would be interested.